Print head installation process. Remove the car cover. Remove the cable. Put the ink sac in a transparent bag to prevent the ink leakage. Remove the print head using a small Phillips screwdriver. Install a new print head. Note the direction of the cable. Put on black tape. We need tape on both sides. Install the printing head on the base. Connect the nozzle and pay attention to the direction of the interface. Insert the ink sac back over the nozzle. Be careful that the ink does not flow into the interface. The print head is installed. Thanks for watching.